Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to make like this one in Excel, automatically numbering and underlining the table in Excel like this. Enter. As you can see, automatically add the number and underlining the table. Enter. So to do like this, click here, then equal F. So then logical test U4, then equal double quotation mark, comma, double quotation mark, comma, row, then close parenthesis. Here we have to put minus to start from 1. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 3 lines, so minus 3 lines, then close parenthesis, enter. So to apply the formula for all the cells, click here and drag until where you want, for example until 20. Alright, now select the table all until 20 or as you like, then go to conditional formatting, new rule, then use formula, and here type equal E4, then delete the symbol dollar, then add this one and double quotation mark, go to format, choose which color you'd like, for example this one, then select outline. Okay, so now let's try it. Pull, enter. As you can see, automatically John, enter, Mark, enter, David, enter. When I delete a line, delete, as you can see automatically 1, 2, 3